This is Tim here from Your 6 Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to set up the internet on your PlayStation 4. So you can just go on over to settings and scroll on down to network right here and choose this as an option. Then we want to go to set up internet, the second option, but make sure this first option is checkmark. Then we can choose Wi-Fi or LAN. So if we have a cable connected to the back of our PlayStation, go to use LAN cable, but I'm going to go use Wi-Fi. And we can go to easy or custom, depending if we want to change the DNS servers and stuff like that. So let's go to easy. Now choose your Wi-Fi network on here, and you can press the triangle button to search. So let's do that now. We'll search for additional Wi-Fi networks. This is loading up here, and you can see I have additional ones under here. So we can go to one now, and just choose it. So let's go to this one. And now we have to type in the code. So your code might be listed on your router somewhere, on the side of it or the back, and you can just type it in right here. Now once you type in the code, it'll bring you to the screen where it does like a download test. So I'm going to choose Scump, and this one I already have saved, so the second time you connect to it, if you already have it saved on your PlayStation 4, you no longer have to type in that password. So it's going to check the network environment right here, and then it's going to do a quick test to see how fast it is. Now, I highly suggest on these older model PS4s, so if you have one of these models like this, connect with a wire, because the Wi-Fi on the original model is really slow. So you can see I'm only getting 58 for a download, but I'm going to max it out around like 250 if I have a wire in there. In my internet, I have about 500 to 600 for my download speed, and you can see just how terrible the upload speed. So definitely on these older model ones, connect with a LAN cable, and then go through the setup process and use LAN cable right here. Otherwise your internet speeds will be extremely slow. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your 6 Studios.